first day of the July Wellness Challenge, we have 3 main exercises. So that's going to be push-up, plank, and jumping jacks. So we're going to show you how to do those 3 exercises so that you can do them safely, and we'll show you modifications to make sure that you're able to do them at an appropriate difficulty level. So the first exercise is push-ups. So push-ups is usually an upper body exercise that's going to work the shoulders, the chest, as well as the arms, but it's very critical to pay attention to where your lower back is and the position of the core muscles. So the easy variation is going to be against a table or a chair. By elevating the surface that you're going to be doing the exercise, it is going to decrease the amount of load that's on your upper body. So for example, you can grab a chair like this, and then you will go into this position. You want to make sure that your bum is not too high and that your back is not sagging down either. And keeping this position, you're going to slowly lower down towards the chair and back up, just like this. Now you want to make sure that you're not moving your head toward the chair like that. Okay? That's the first variation. The second variation is going to be to do the exercise but on your knees from the ground. So from this position, you're on your knees, and same thing, the bum should not be up or down. Keeping this stable, you're going to slowly bring your chest toward the ground and back up. Also, make sure that you stop when your elbows are at around 90 degrees, and then you come back up, okay? And then the more difficult variation, the more standard variation, is going to be in this position, and then down and up, okay? So that is going to be for the first exercise, the push-up. The second exercise is going to be for the plank exercise. It's similar to the corrections that will be done for push-up. So for plank, you can first practice a plank on a chair. So your elbows will be bent. Same corrections to make sure that your bum is not up or down. You're going to contract your abs, you're going to contract your bum muscles, and you're going to hold this position. Then you can do the other variation where you are on your knees like this and holding the position. And then the last one, you could do it from on your toes. The third exercise is the jumping jack. So for the jumping jack, this is a more plyometric type of movement, which means you're going to do more of an explosive type of movement. Now, if you have any knee pain or if you're not comfortable with jumping, the variation we're going to give is to just do a side step. So you're just going to side step, raise your arms up, down. Side step, raise your arm up, down. Just like this. You can also do it like this, by just raising the leg up to the side. The difficulty with the first and the second is quite similar. Then you could, if you're comfortable with jumping, then you could do jumping jacks like this. Now just pay attention to keep your core stable and make sure that you're paying attention to the position of it to make sure that you won't end up hurting your back. And pay attention to your knees. Make sure you're not feeling any type of pain or discomfort. If you are, then you can drop down to the easier variations to do the exercises. So these are your first 3 exercises for the July Wellness Challenge. Let us know if you have any questions, and then give it a try.